look at circuit boards, and they pretty much end up in farming and construction equipment is the majority of what we're running. Everything kind of starts here, so I make sure that they're on the right work orders, producing what needs to be produced so things can get done in a timely manner.
We'll get the bare boards in that look like this, and then we populate the components that are placed on all these surface pads that you see there. This machine puts down solder paste, so you can see there's like a bead of this peanut butter consistency kind of paste that's got the solder and flux in it. So that'll roll that over the stencil, kind of like a t-shirt screen printer. When they come out over here, the boards will have the paste deposited on the surface of those pads. So once they go through all the pick and place, the operator will do a final visual inspection here. Then there may be some hand placements that they'll put on there. The environments that these products are going into are going to be out in the field. They're going to be exposed to the outside environment in some cases. So they need some layers of protection. So what this machine is doing is putting down a layer of silicone conformal coating. What we've done is set up more of an assembly line type process where we can flow product from surface mount through selective solder, test, conformal coating, and down this way in a continuous flow. We were at about 11 days from that end to this end to be done with the product. Now we're down to about 1.5 to 2 days on average. So as we walk up this way, instead of seeing this assembly line kind of processes that we saw on that end, you're going to see more traditional manufacturing type cells. So when we set up a manufacturing cell, we're going to look at the requirements that the customer has and their demand, and we'll decide what that work cell is actually going to look like. And so in this case, with this cell, this is a family of products. So we're doing armrest controls for road machines. So there's about a dozen different configurations of these pods that we build, but they're all built in the same cell. So that way the sub-assemblies can be pulled from the whip market. They've got some sub-assemblies of cable harnesses and things that they can pull and stocked back here. So they could be building one type of pod and then later in the afternoon switching over and building a different type.